Hello all, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video I am going to show you one of the website or one of the platform where you can choose your final year project or any capstone project. Okay, so why the reason why I am making this video, because there are so many students or there are so many people who sent me a message in LinkedIn asking sir, I want to do my final year project, I want to do my capstone project, I want to do some kind of POC projects for the sake of building my resume. Sir, I want to do some kind of end-to-end project. And some people have asked me how to do the final year project or a capstone project. I'm not getting any idea. So they have asked me what is the approach, like how to do. Okay, so I have already told them there are so many websites. If you want to do any kind of data science project, you can just explore Kaggle, or you can also explore GitHub, where you can get many end-to-end projects, and you can also build the community and you can just interact with the people who have done those projects. Okay, so there is also one more website it's a very good website. When I was browsing something, I found this pretty good website. So I found this website is very useful for the students or the people who are looking to do their final year project or capstone project. Okay, so this website I will just show you now. Okay, so let me just go to google.com, just type new projects. So this is the website, guys, neonprojects.com. Okay, so if you just go to this particular website, here you can see most of the projects, like software projects, electronics projects, mechanical projects, and you can just try to explore this. And here if you just click on this option like electronic projects, here you will get to know a lot of projects which is related to IoT projects, drones and robotics. Here you can also find some kind of projects which is related to data science. I will just show you. Okay, see here you can see some of the projects which is based on machine learning, data science. Just click on data science. Okay, so here you will get lot of projects. Okay, if you just click on this any one of the project, you will also get to know some of the basics or some of the synopsis which is related to that project. Okay, so here you can see the synopsis which is related to that project, and you can also see advantages. That means what are the advantages of doing this project and how it will help the community and how it will help the people. Okay, so and one more thing, the best thing about this website is if you want the source code also you can get from this website. I think for the source code, I think you have to pay some kind of amount which is fixed for that particular project. Okay, so this is not only related to electronics project or software projects. You can also get mechanical projects, industrial projects, and you can also get the projects related to instrumentation, biomedical, and here you can also get some kind of project ideas. Okay, so this is one of the best website, guys, if you want to do some kind of capstone project or final year projects. So here you can get to know a lot of project ideas. You can get some ideas what are the projects which we can do in a final year project. Okay, so try to make use of this one of the best website is neonprojects.com. Okay, so that will really help you to do your projects which you are trying to build it. Okay, so here if you just click on this submit your requirements, you can also contact them and you can just ask them they will just help you end to end in building the project, but for that you have to pay some amount for them. Okay, but This is the best website. Like you can get a project ideas if you are building the project on your own. You can get the project idea and synopsis if you are just looking for the project ideas. Okay, and you can also get the end-to-end code and source code also, but for that you have to pay the amount to that particular website. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.